Hi everybody, this is Craig and I thought I'd just show you my car. I'm readying for a car show in Redcliffe in Queensland. It's a, say, 1982 DeLorean, and I've given it a good clean and shine, as you can see. And the interior, I'll just get the door up. You can see I've been doing a fair bit of cleaning. And in the back I have my little Back to the Future display. Marty's hat, the sports almanac, Doc's drawing of the flux capacitor, and a Save the Clock Tower flyer. So this is my DeLorean. It's going to be entered into a car show tomorrow, the first car show it's been in. Very proud of my car. Thank you, I hope you all enjoyed it.